Cheating has been an issue in schools forever, but artificial intelligence has made it more and more complicated than ever before. Today, many schools are banning AI technology like ChatGPT on school devices because of concerns about cheating. At the same time, students are expected to learn difficult material and often don't get enough individual help to do so. This creates a real conflict between academic rules and academic needs. According to research from the College Board, a majority of high school students report using generative AI to do their schoolwork. This shows that AI isn't rare or experimental. It's already part of how students are thinking and learning. However, research from the International Center for Academic Integrity shows that many students admit to cheating at some point in their academic careers. When AI is used to simply generate answers, it can easily cross the line from support into cheating. Now, the problem is that cheating doesn't actually lead to learning. Studies consistently show that students learn best when they actively think, struggle, and practice their skills themselves. Research from MIT suggests that when people rely heavily on AI to complete their tasks, their brain engagement can decrease because the tool doing most of the thinking for them is the AI. And if students let AI replace their effort, they may finish their work faster, but they're not learning and they don't build a real understanding about the material that's being covered. That said, AI itself is not the enemy. An article from the Ivy League University Stanford explains that AI can be useful when used as a tutor rather than a shortcut. For example, helping explain concepts, give feedback, and guide practice. In partnership with Penn State professor Dr. Abdullah Konak's research and ideas discussed in an educational seminar at Penn State Berks, meaningful learning requires active engagement. When students cheat, whether with AI or without, they miss that process. Instead of banning AI entirely, schools and students need clear guidelines that encourage ethical use, helping students learn how to use the AI without replacing their own thinking.
The overall development process for the AP Science AI was definitely the most complex piece of our project. To initially instruct our custom GPT to work as intended, we decided to learn the programming language YAML under Dr. Konak, which would help the ChatGPT understand our instructions more clearly than if we were to use the standard English language. Despite this, we still had to spend the majority of our time testing and bug fixing due to these recurring problems. Our AI giving direct answers, showing inaccurate visual representations, and failing to correctly prompt the user. However, once completed, our AI was finally able to accomplish what it was made for, and that is for teaching AP Science topics using a wide variety of methods while forcing the user to think critically. That's it.